How to fix ChatGPT Voice Conversation not working. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First of all, start by heading over to your application ChatGPT. Well, if the voice conversation is not working, then what you gotta do is, you have to try refreshing the page. Close the application and then reopen it. Once done, try using the voice conversation. If it works, then you'll be good to go. If not, now the next thing you want to try doing is, go back and head over to the settings of a device. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then move into apps. Here, search for the application ChatGPT and then move into it. Once you're in this page, if the microphone option is turned off, then simply turn it on. Most of the time, this option might be turned off and it might be the reason that you're having the issue on ChatGPT. So once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is, go back to your previous page and then head over to General. Move into iPhone Storage. Search for the application ChatGPT and then move into it. Now click on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on ChatGPT, and after that you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.